Hey guys, so in case you guys don't know, on the weekend I went to Melbourne Summer 2021 and I managed to get OCR average and single in the finals of Square One. So today I recently just got the scrambles, so in this video I'm going to be reconstructing the solves for you guys and hope you guys learn something from it. So for the first solve I got a 6.8. And this was the scramble. I traced even, and for me, even for this case is the good case. So what I do is I misalign like this, and I put the L down, and then what I did was I did scalp kite in the back. Then I did a U2, R2, U, V2, R2. Then I just had 3-3, like this. And then I had a T-perm. I recognized this T-perm pretty slowly in the solve. This solve actually could have been like a 5. But when I recognized it, I just for my PBL, I just misaligned here. J-perm, U-prime. And as you can see, we now have JJ, D-prime, done. So that's first solve. On to the second solve. So the second solve, I got a 7.6. And the scramble on surface doesn't look good at all. But I got odd. So for odd, I misalign like this, and I bring this line up. U, and now I have this case, so I can bring the scalps down. So now I have scalp, and then I just did scalp. Then I did R2 U R2, and then I had 3-3 again. And then what I did for the PBL is I see that I have this case. So what I did was I put the P on the side, and then this weird case on the top. I held it like this. I did JJ, then I did a U2, and then I just did this case for my PPL. The third solve, also 7.6. Here's the scramble. So I traced, and what I did was I got even for this, and for even, what I did was I got this line. So there's a line on top because it's fist scallop. Got the line, bring it here. Then I got not scallop, barrel. Then I got the barrel, the pair in the front, and replaced the pair with the line. So now I have this case, which I can put into scallop. And these at the back. And then for this CO, I did R2D, R2D, R2. And then I had LL, so I just did that. And then this was a pretty bad PBL, but I didn't even do a good solution for PBL. I literally just did CPEP because I was pretty nervous. So I did JPerm and then just this case. Fourth solve was a 7.9. So yeah, this solve was 7.9. I traced and I got even. And for me, even for this case is the good case. So I misaligned like this to make it into scalp kite. And I did scalp kite in the back. This is something you should always do. If it's more move efficient, make sure to always learn your cube shapes in the back as well. So I did this in the back. Then I did a D prime. Then like this. Then I had LL. Did LL. And then I had this weird PBL. I misaligned like this. And I did JJ. Then I had this PBL. So now the solve you've all been waiting for. The OCR single. 524. In fact, on this solve, a lot of people thought it was a misscramble, but we actually checked the scrambles. Because the reason for this was because most people in the round actually got their worst solve on this scramble. And I'll tell you guys why. So, I use CSP, and most people, they would see this cube shape and just put it into scalp card immediately. But since I use CSP, I traced and I knew that this was the bad case. So what I did was I misaligned like this, and I put the pair in the back. This is the bad CSP case. Then I did a 4 on the bottom, and went like this. So now I have scalp kite. I did it in the back. And then I had this case for CO. I did R2, UD, R2. Pretty fast CO. And then I had the best EO case. I did a U, M2, U. And then I just have this PBL. So I see that if I did JN, I get Adjaj. Did it. And then I did Adjaj in the front, which goes like this. And that was a 524. OCR single. Finally. I finally got it. But that was the 524. Pretty... I executed it pretty well. So, so that was the reconstruction. Sorry I didn't record the average. I completely forgot to record it. Didn't even cross my mind. I was just focused on getting good times in the round. So, if you guys learned something from this video, let me know. Maybe consider subscribing. I don't know. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.